everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I make troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reply to a specific message on Instagram. So if you are interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. First of all, open the Instagram app and then you have to go to the chat section. And then you have to go to the particular chat where you want to give a reply. Now, as you can see, this is a complete conversation. Now, if you want to reply to a specific message, what you have to do is you just have to swipe the message right, and then you can type any message that you want. All right, you can type your reply, or if you want to react to the reply, you can simply long press it. And then you can select your reaction, whatever you want to give it to that specific message. So that's how you can reply any way you want to a specific message on Instagram. That was all for this topic. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and for any issues and queries, you can reach out to the comment section below. You can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, for more tech related content. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.